Since the beginning of time, various accidents regarding drink and drive issues take place, which result in the loss of life. To solve such issues, we are implementing the electronic technology to help and come up with a solution for such causes. The result product, which is formed by gathering of information and data, is a smart helmet. As drink and drive have become common issues in the generation, which leads to immediate death, even though there are many laws and rules by government which gets neglected. A smart helmet with alcohol detection is a product which can be used here. It would help us in reducing the accident causing by drink and drive issues. So the components we use to build the smart helmet is as follows. Microcontroller at Mega 32.8. It is used to maximize the performance of system. Alcohol sensor. It is used to send the presence of alcohol in user's breath. Accelerometer sensor. It will sense the tilt in the helmet. GPS module. It is a hardware device that is used for tracking down live location. GSM module. A GSM module is a hardware device that is used for sending SMS to mobile devices. Buzzer. It is an audio signaling device which is used to warn at specified condition. RF transmitter and receiver module. It is an electronic device which works by transmitting and receiving radio signal between two specified devices, which works by a presence of antenna in both sender and receiver's module. In basic terms, RF transmitter transmits the data, RF receiver receives the data. So my project is divided into two parts, helmet section and vehicle section. Coming to helmet section, the system acts when the user wears a helmet. There is a push button present at the top of internal of helmet, which gets activated when the user wears helmet. Alcohol sensor is also present near the nostril of user, so that it can help to detect the presence of alcohol in user's breath. Both these components check and verify their condition and sets the output to H212E microcontroller. This microcontroller processes the data and sends it to via transmitter module to receiver's module, which is situated in vehicle section. If engine will only get activated if both these conditions satisfies, or else it won't start. If the user isn't wearing the helmet and doesn't push the button, the engine will not start. Similarly, if the alcohol is detected, transmitter will send the data to HT12D to decode it, and it will be forwarded to microcontroller at Mega 32.8. It will automatically off the engine and display alcohol detected on the LCD screen. Here comes the vehicle section. If the vehicle meets with the accident, the accelerometer sensor will sense the tilt in the vehicle. It will warn the user with the help of buzzer. It will track down the live location with the help of GPS module. This GPS, this GPS module will send the live location to the GSM module. And this GSM module will convert the live location given by the GPS module into SMS and it will forward it to the register numbers. For example,